Hello everybody, my name is Long. I'm 11 years old. Today I will read book Trees. Standing tall. Trees are tall woody plants that can live for hundreds of years. The top of a tree is called a crown. Leaves grow on the branches. The strong trunk supports the branches. Water travels from the roots through the trunk to the branch. Bark protects the trunk and branches from cold and damage. Roots grow deep underground. They hold the tree in the soil and soak up water. Water from the soil. A spruce tree in Sweden is the oldest tree in the world. It is almost 10,000 years old. Growing strong. Every tree begins as a tiny seed. In spring, a seed starts to grow. The first shoot and roots begin to grow from the tree. The roots soak up water. The shoot grows up to the surface. It becomes a seedling with leaves and buds. Heat from the sun and water from the soil help the seedling grow into sapling. After many years, this green sapling will grow into tall fir tree. Food factories. Trees need food to help them grow. The leaves use water, sunlight, and air to make food. The stem and veins carry water to the leaf. Sunlight shines on the leaf. Air goes into tiny holes on the leaves underside. The leaf makes food, and the veins carry it to the rest of the tree. When the leaves gives out a gas called oxygen. Type of trees. There are thousands kinds of trees. There are three main tree groups. Broadleaf trees have bushy crown with lots of branches. Evergreen trees are tall, have straight trunks. Palm trees have bendy trunks with the big leaves at the top. Palm trees are sometimes called fronds. This is a sycamore leaf. A sycamore leaf is a broadleaf leaf. These pinky leaves are from evergreen tree. Changing season. Some broadleaf trees look very different at different times of year. In the summer, as the weather gets covered with lots of green leaves, as the weather gets colder, the leaves turn orange and green. The leaves fall to the ground. The branches stay bare all winter. In spring, the new leaves start to grow on the trees. Evergreen trees are never bare. They lose the leaves and grow new all year long. When leaves return orange and red, they fall from the trees. When leaves turn orange and red, they fall from the branches. Fancy flower. Some trees grow flowers in spring. Many flowers attract insects with their smell. Inside a flower there is a sticky powder called pollen, a sweet juice called nectar. Insects drink the nectar and pollen to stick ticks stick to their body. When the insects go to another flower after fallen, the roots off. The tree uses pollen from two flowers to make seed. Honeybees do a special dance to tell each other where to find nectar. Tasty treats. After the flowers die and fall, fruits start to grow. There are seeds inside each fruit. Hard fruit are called nuts and cones. These dummies are eating a chestnut. When birds and animals eat the fruits, they swallow the seeds. The seeds are spread by the bird and animals in the dropping. If the seeds fall on the right soil, they grow into new seedlings. Hanging on. Lots of different plants and mushrooms grow on trees. Moss is a furry green plant that grows on tree trunks in damp forest. Mistletoe grows on branches. Its roots suck water and food from the tree. Orchid grows on green forest tree. The roots suck up water from the air. Velvet foot mushroom grows in groups on tree trunks. Jack-o'-lantern mushrooms grow at the bottom of the tree. They glow smoky green at night. The houses. Lots of birds and animals make their homes in trees. Bald eagle builds huge nests in very tall trees. The nest is called eyrie. Raccoons live in holes in the tree to stay warm during the cold winter. Koalas sleep for most of the day in eucalyptus tree. They eat leaves too. The squirrel has made a snug home for its babies in a hollow tree. Tough tree. All trees need water to survive, but some trees can grow in very dry places. Argan trees grow in rocky places. Goats climb the trees to eat leaves because there is no grass. Chant trees grow in desert in India. Their long roots reach water far under the ground. African baobab trees have huge trunks that can store water for the dry summer months. Buchan trees grow in dry parts of America. Their roots hold lots of the water like a sponge. Crawling with life. Many bugs live on trees that give them protection. A bighorn acacia tree is home to thousands of ants. They live in the big hollow thorns of the trees. The ants eat balls of yellow nectar from leaves. They sting any creature that might damage the tree. A sphinx moth has patterns on its body that match the bark of the tree and helps it hide from danger. A tree trunk spider weaves sticky silk on the bark. The spider pounces on trapped insects. Trees in troubles. The world's forests are in danger. Trees are being destroyed by fire and people. Forest fires sometimes start in dry places during very hot weather. This fire in the USA killed thousands of trees. Trees are chopped down so the wood can be used filled to make paper. Forests are cleared so land can be used for farming and to build towns or roads. Even tiny beetles can be dangerous. Some carry disease that kill trees. Protecting trees. There are lots of ways to save trees for the future. Used paper can be recycled to make new papers and cardboard. This means that fewer forests are destroyed. In some forests, new trees are planted to replace ones that are chopped down. Trees are protected in national park. These trees grow on high rocky cliffs in the Red Canyon National Park in the USA. Goodbye.